glue gels. The first top, if you take the first cap off, you're seeing right there in the red cap, and it will take you right to the needles, which is one you're gonna squeeze just a little bit of the glue gels. Then it will go right in between the gaps and the cracks of crystal, and then you close this cap, unscrew this second part, you're gonna see your precision brush, which is really handy. Even though it's like, for instance, if you're doing the metal arts like this, you can use this detail brush and then cap completely your metal art, so then it's prevent from tarnish. Or you can also using that to get all edges, and if you forget your beads, or if you need to add extra of crystals on, you can also use that as well. It's really handy and is absolutely worth your investment. And each time you're going to use, you're going to squeeze just a little bit. You don't want to use a lot. Let me squeeze it. It's been real. I'm using this one a lot. Hold on. I just opened that. Right there. You can see it. But I'm not going to squeeze it first. I'm going to check. Do a little check between crystals and charms and all the frame first before I squeeze anything. I feel this is even the little one, but it's scratchy because it's closer to the cuticles. And you're just gonna squeeze it in just a little bit. You don't want to do too much. Too much is gonna flood it whole entire your crystal looks, and it's gonna look so lumpy, bumpy after you cure it. So you want to make sure you're just like using just a small amount. You feel scratchy, then you squeeze it out. Like you don't want to squeeze it too much. And I always have keep my twin tip brush, which is the other end, the liner ends, and then give it a quick swipe on the edges. So then that way it will keep it so nice and flawless after a cure. So now this nail going to be cured 60 seconds. I am going to move on the next nails. This is second nails. My twin tip brush. This is going to be fun part because it had a lot of going on in here, and I'm so excited because I used to really freak out and scare of doing crystal placement and introduce to clients, because I get nervous. What if we are like upcharge the service like for the clients, and what if the crystal is gonna falling off like right when they get in homes, or like they're wearing for a few days. This, you and your clients, with this techniques, you and clients can absolutely sit back and relax. Doesn't matter, like I'm doing a lot with my hands as well, but they stay concrete, and my nails not going anywhere. I check is really be careful when it feels scratchy. You're gonna actually like squeeze just a little bit between the crystals. They're gonna feel right into wherever spots and the gaps that it need to be filling in. So I'm gonna give it a little quick swipe using my twin tip brush and cure for 60 seconds. This cool tip and trick will help the blending really cool all of the excess precision glue, so it looks nice and flawless. So this nails is done. Move on to the third nails. Like a third nails here, we have beautiful fusion ink and crystal placements. I'm going to check. You can see that I have squeezed it out, and then it still have the extra precision glue right here, but I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm gonna just fill it in, but you don't need a whole lot. Just little go a long way. You don't want to squeeze too much out because it's gonna flood your crystal. So I'm gonna do really gentle and then just really generous amount. You can see that, as you can see, it's right here. It's extra precision glue. I'm not worried about it. I'm gonna just using my twin tip brush and give it a quick swipe and blend it out. So when you cure it, it's not gonna leave you any residues, and it's gonna look so nice. Great. here for 60 seconds. We'll have the second nails and the third nails. I love the background of this one as well. So you can see a look of either you do fusioning or you can do chamfer foil. What's really stunning is give you a lot of look. And then it's not only using it for like July 4, you can use it any different way, different like season. This foil is everything. It's foil you can use it like it's. I love the marble look of this because you can use it like even for it has blue and white, so it's like an icy look, but also it looks stunning for the summer times as well. All right, so I'm checking a lot of edges and gap between crystal and the charms right there. And I am going to give it a quick swipe right there again, so then that way it will blend all that like excess precision glue. So here for 60 seconds on these nails. The third nails, I'm gonna wipe the crystal off a little bit. Yeah, everyone, it's just such a great live tutorial tonight. I know I'm just so focused on it. I'm so into it. And if I miss any of your questions, I am so sorry. I would love to answer any questions for you. If you have any questions regarding to the techniques, also we have hundreds of different videos on our IGTV, YouTube channels, and Facebook. So please check them out. And if you're not sure you are looking for and we don't have what you're looking for, be sure to comment below this live tutorial or email us at info@glitzaccessoryandsuch.com. Also DM us as well regarding to any techniques or is something that or the products that you get from us that you would love to learn more about the techniques. Do not hesitate to email us and DM us as well on both Facebook and Instagram. And as well as if you have any question regarding to the order or the shipments, anything regarding to, you know, if you need assistance for place an order, you can feel free to call us at 206-771-5086. Also, you can text us at your convenience. Someone on the team will get right back to you at 206-771-5086. So, and take advantage of 20% off for special sales of 50,000 follower celebrations. They're 20% off on most products except treasure box and classes. With treasure box, it's really fun and stunning to get it too because it's like a mystery. If you get the general treasure box, there are a few different boxes on a different theme. You can also select it as well, and feel free to check them out. If you have questions, don't hesitate to ask, and we are here to support you and answer all the questions. And also, there are 50,000 follower giveaways going on right now. Make sure to check it out on either on our highlights on story on IGTV or Facebook, so then you won't miss out a great opportunity to enter the